Here I'm going to show you how the athlete app works for the XPS client. First of all, when you log into the app, you're going to come into the home screen like this. And here you have your agenda. But here you also have the full calendar. This plus button, you can create your own workouts. Shared, where you have all the documents and videos that coaches have been shared with you. Individual statistics, messages, and settings. Now, if you start using the agenda, you can see I can just scroll down here to see what's on my agenda. And here in the front, you can just directly press on attending if that's something that coaches wanted you to do. So you can just do it right in here. You can also select the full calendar here. Here you can see the agenda for this day. And here you can also go in and register. First of all, I have my practice plan here. I can open that. Here I have the content, so I can see the content in the training session, each drill. I have something attachment. And if I press on coaches here, I can access my coaches. Here I can send the messages. I also have an individual workout here, and I can open that up here. Here it's important that after you've gone through all the exercises in the workout, you press completed here in the bottom. And that will give you individual statistics, and the coach can see if you've done the workout or not. Each exercise you can open up, and you have your information here. You can press on the bottoms here to fill it out or change it. You can add and remove set down here. You have information. You have statistics, and then you would have history, if you would have any. I also have my forms in here. Here I have a readiness form. Let's just fill that out. Submit. And I have something called training load. And I would just have to put up how hard it was. Then I have my messages up here. I have my individual messages, and just press on them, and then I can write in. Like this. You have your team messages up here. And of course, there could be any attachments in the messages that you can open up from here. And when you're doing the new one, you can go in here and you have your search button here. So you put in the name of the coach. You can create your own workout by pressing the plus button here. Selecting the individual workout. You will automatically come here into recents and most used. Otherwise, you can press on the folder up here. Now, if your coach asked you to use exercises from his account, then you should press on exercises here and select exercises down here. But otherwise, you can just use this one. Then you come in here, and then you see you have the plus buttons here. You just press and see when they're green. And you press finish. Then you would go into the exercise. And here you have your reps, rest minutes, weight, and so on. And here I can just add set. And this is how you fill out for each exercise. And then you can press this little arrow here. And this is how you create your own individual workout. In shared, you're going to see all the documents that the coaches have shared with you. You will see them in time order. The red dots are unread. If you want to look any further than this, you can press on this folder here, or you can just open up to see the structure and how it's organized. And you can even go to programs and share that to the calendar and so on. You have statistics, something that has been shared from your coach. And remember, you can always select the time frame here, so you can select what period you're looking at. And last but not least, you have the settings up here. Here you can just go over this information. You can select what notification you want. You can change the language and then sign out, of course. Thank you for watching this tutorial.